guys, Rob here. One of the most requested videos over the last couple weeks has been the lease market exchange on Chintai. So in this one, we're going to walk through the Chintai exchange. So let's jump right on into it. Here I am on exchange.chintai.io. And the first thing we need to do, of course, is log in. So come up here, upper right hand corner, click log in, select your wallet, either Scatter wallet or Ledger hardware wallet. I'm going to be using Scatter for this example, and then allow that. If this is your first time logging in, you'll have to select which wallet you want to use from your Scatter. Now I'm logged in with the Send EOS 2 CML account, and there is only one market right now, Boyd to Boyd. So all the Boyd information is pulled up, including the Boyd wallet down here in the left-hand corner. This shows the amount I have deposited onto the Chintai exchange under deposited and the liquid amount I have on my EOS account wallet. So this is the amount not on Chintai, the amount that's on the account I have connected, which is Send EOS to CML. In order to either lend Boyd or borrow Boyd, you will have to have Boyd on Chintai. So you will have to deposit Boyd token to Chintai before you do anything. And when you lend Boyd, you get paid for your amount lent. And then you get those Boyd tokens you lent back in 30 days, as this is a 30-day lease. And with borrow, you pay the fee to borrow a certain amount of Boyd, and you have those for 30 days. So, like I said, first thing you need to do is to deposit tokens to Chintai. So that can be done down here in the wallet section. I'm going to do 25% of my liquid balance here. I'm going to deposit that to Boyd. So we're in the deposit here, 25%. Select whatever amount you want. Click Submit Deposit. Scatter pops up. From Send EOS to CML, yes, my account. Deposit to Chintai Lease, 25,323. To Chintai Lease, allow that. Deposit to Chintai successful, and you can see my balance went up here to 26,000 from the 600 and whatever it was. So if I wanted to lend these Boyd out for 30 days and get a percentage for them, I would come to the Lend Boyd section here, input a price and the quantity I wanted to lend. So you can see the order book over here with the current bids and asks. I'm going to go one less than that and lend out 50% of them. And again, that 50% number, you can see 13,000, that's half of the 26,000 I have deposited. That'll give me a total interest of 353.7217 Boyd. That's the amount I'll be paid when someone takes this order. And again, that's just leasing these out for 30 days. I will get this 13,000 back after 30 days. Plus have the interest I will be paid for the loan. So click place order when you want to lend. Chintai Lease, new lend order, allow that. Price has too many decimal places, 12 is the max allowed. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I was trying to do one less than this. 27205, so I want 27204. Place order, allow, order submitted successfully. All right, there we go. Now my order 27204 for 13,000 Boyd is now in the order book. If I wanted to immediately fill the order, of course I could have came down here and selected this price, and that would have filled some of this order. So next up, borrowing Boyd tokens. First, select your price, 0.20, and I'll just go 201. Input the amount you want to borrow and the EOS account you want to receive the Boyd tokens at. So input whatever you want. Default, it's the same account that you are connected with. So at this price, this amount, 5,000 Boyd tokens, will cost me 109.2 as a taker fee or 107.1 as the maker fee. Since I'm a maker, I am not filling one of these orders. I am putting an order into the order book. That makes me a maker. I'll pay 107.1 Boyd. So place order. Chintai Lease new borrow order. Yep. Allow that. Order submitted successfully. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see active leases, open orders, lease history, and order history. down below. So it's much like any other exchange, but the key being you need to deposit funds onto Chintai before you can either lend those out or have enough to pay the fee to borrow some tokens on the Chintai exchange. So that's it for this quick walkthrough. I know a lot of you were asking for it. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And I'll be placing this tutorial onto eosio.support. eosio.support is a search engine for tutorials just like this one for everything to do with EOSIO, including EOS, TLOS, Wax, and other EOSIO blockchains. You can either use the search feature here or search by a tag down below. But that's it for this one, guys. Are you on Telos yet? Telos is an EOSIO blockchain with some of the most advanced governance features, bringing the core governance to dApps and DAOs on Telos. Over the last couple days, 2 new dApps have announced they're making the move from EOS to Telos, with one play already live on the chain. To learn more about Telos and get your free Telos account, visit the link in the description to this page, and you can get your free Telos account here for either mobile, desktop, or using the Telegram bot. Check out the Rex section to learn how to Rex your TLOS tokens for those currently around 17% Rex rewards, and to read up on some of the 3rd-gen governance features that Telos has to offer, check out the newly updated governance section. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it for me for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.